This is a bike check update. Alright, got a DK Helio frame, got stock DK bars. Oh, sure, a little bit bent, that's alright. Got some white ODIs, kind of black, pretty awesome. Got some ODI bar ends. No, don't have much left of it, but hold up pretty good. Got my Shadow Conspiracy strike stem, my DC sticker. Got my Alienation Deviant front rim with white Primo spokes and a red Sputnik hub. Stock DK fork. Got my DK pegs, my Eastern Stealth cranks, my Shadow Conspiracy Revenger pedals, stock DK sprocket, Shadow Conspiracy chain, a Shadow Conspiracy seat pivotal with a red Shadow post and a Shadow seat clamp, a Alienation plain black rim in the back, the DK hub with 6 broken spokes. I thought it was pretty awesome. And my Odyssey headset, and I also have a kink bottom bracket and these nice shiny valve caps.